This is Pagay River in Kitgum Municipality. When it gets to a period where it rains like this, the level of the water rises up. And here you can see within this month of August, the level of the water rose up, and of course within the last 1 week, almost coming to 2 now, the level of water has risen. It's a beautiful one. You can see how it flows. When you get time, just take time and visit the river banks of Pagay, which is located in Kitgum Municipality, one of the biggest rivers in the East Acholi area that every year we witness. And of course we see the beauty of the little river that we have within our land. Thank you. I am just here enjoying it gratefully. I took time this evening to check at River Pagay. Behind me you can see it is flowing. This is River Pagay located in Kitgum Municipality.